In this video, I'm going to show you how to deliver a presentation on Canva while you are still offline. Okay, so offline presentation is very critical. Maybe sometimes you want to present at a location where you don't have internet access and you have already prepared your presentation of Canva. So this is an example of a presentation that I've just prepared. So all you need is to start by coming back to the home where you have the presentation. So let's say I have a presentation here. So what you need to do is to come to these three dots on the top of the presentation. You can click on it and you can come over here and see enable offline presenting. So you can just click and just give it some seconds to finish the offline synchronization. So you can already do this when you are online. All right, so as you can see over here, the presentation has been made offline. So I can go ahead and off my internet. Okay, so you can see right now my internet is off and you can see you've gone offline. So even when you refresh the page, this is what you will see. And once you click, this is the only one that is allowed to be presented offline. So you can just go ahead and click and have access to present it offline. All right, as you can see, the presentation is ready to be delivered offline. So you can move from one slide to another and explain your concept offline without any internet, depending on where you find yourself. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.